Yes, it depends. If you are looking for a kind of a Bollywood film experience, that you'll have a lot of it. But if you're a person who has liked films like, you know, if you like films like uh, Iron Lady, or The Darkest Hour, or Andhi, or Rajniti, if you have a taste for a little bit more intelligent cinema, if you are a person who's more invested and engaged in the nation, if you are somebody you who has other dimension to your personality other than just getting ready and eating and all that, so if you have little more to you as a person, it'll engage you, because we have a human has so many dimensions to them. We have a physical dimension, emotional dimension, mental dimension. We have so many dimensions. Like, but also art is subjective. What you like as art may not appeal to me. I can only make what appeals to me. I can't make what doesn't appeal to me. You know what I mean? The same way, the same goes for other filmmaker, whoever is making. But the good thing is, for an audience, you should get like a spectrum of films to see. Like a spectrum of uh, information or film and backdrop. That's why today, when I wrote in a post that welcome to the world of my perception. As an artist, we can only open the world and the doors of our perception to you. I can't second guess your perception and try to please you. So as a filmmaker, this is my world. Of course, there's a fear of being dejected. There's a fear of being rejected. And even if it does very well, there will still be people who it won't appeal to. And the same goes for the biggest successful films. They could be the biggest blockbuster, but there will be so many people it will not appeal to. Because art is subjective. So when we sit in a theater, you can't please everybody. But is it entertaining? Yes. Is it engaging? Yes. How much it engages and entertains, that is about the personality to a person.
मुझे लगता है कि कंगना वो शख्सियत है जिसको देखकर अगर दिल से हर इंसान चाहे तो इंस्पायर हो सकता है. उस इंस्पिरेशन को बेशक छुपा सकता है क्योंकि उनके अपने एजेंडा होंगे, मगर अगर आपको इंस्पिरेशन की हिंदुस्तान में कोई मिसाल लेनी है एंटरटेनमेंट वर्ल्ड में और अब पॉलिटिकल वर्ल्ड में, आई थिंक कंगना रनौत इज़ दैट नेम एंड आई नेवर हाइड दैट फ्रॉम इट. इंस्पिरेशन कहीं से भी मिल सकती है एंड आई थिंक हर जर्नी, आई हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ हर जर्नी फॉर दिस फिल्म. इट्स अमेजिंग द वे शी हैज़ मेड दिस फिल्म. हमारे उतार चढ़ाव तो ज़िंदगी में आते रहते हैं, लेकिन what makes you remember life and people is the courage. Courage is the most attractive and infectious emotion in the world, and she is so full of it, and brilliant. मुझे लगता है कि yesterday I did the मुहूर्त of my 543rd film. Yesterday. तो मुझे लगता है जब मैं काम करता हूँ कि मुझे अभी डायरेक्टर क्या डायरेक्शन देगा या देंगी, मगर every shot that I did, Kangana used to come, whisper in my ear, अनुपम जी इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, respectfully. And I was to get amazed what an amazing grasp he has on her subject. And अभी जो मैंने ट्रेलर देखा है, it's remarkable, it's absolutely international. हम हमेशा इंटरनेशनल को भी हमने एक क्लीशे बना दिया है कि जी छा गए, इंटरनेशनल बना दिया है. But I think the film does talk about emergency, the dark period of her life. I think sometimes when you identify with the character, जयप्रकाश नारायण, मैं उस समय ड्रामा स्कूल में था जब इमरजेंसी लागू हुई थी. मैं फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा था, दिल्ली में ही था मैं. और मैं पॉलिटिकली इतना अवेयर नहीं था. आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी कि मेरी एडमिशन ड्रामा स्कूल में हो गई. और चूँकि मैं आर्ट सर्कल में था, सडनली आर्ट सर्कल में मंडी हाउस में हमारा ड्रामा स्कूल था, कमानी ऑडिटोरियम, श्री राम ऑडिटोरियम, ये सब डांसर्स वगैरह बंगाली मार्केट के पास थे. सडनली एक मुर्दनी सी छा गई थी, एक साइलेंस था. तो जयप्रकाश नारायण होप थे यूथ की, होप थे नेशन की, इसके खिलाफ लड़ने की. तो he was my hero. तो जब मुझे कंगना जी ने बताया कि मैं वो रोल कर रहा हूँ, तो I was already wanting to do somebody who had done so much. और जयप्रकाश नारायण जी, जैसे जैसे ज़िंदगी आगे बढ़ती है, लोग हमारे हीरोज़ को भूलते चले जाते हैं. So I think from that point of view, when she narrated me the script, I was very happy. And she also gave me a lot of literature. I went back to all the literature that you read, and then I think it's come out very.
I've always found Kangana a very, very talented actor. I've enjoyed her cinema. And I must say, you ask me female director, it was different. It was not just female director, it was female producer who's also playing the lead and playing a lead character of a personality like Mrs. Gandhi, who's known so well in the nation and worldwide. And a lot of people have played Mrs. Gandhi, but the way she's played it, the work that she has done on not just her looks, but the walk, the stance, her mannerisms, the twitching of the lip, her voice, which is amazing. So it's one of the best portrayals of Mrs. Gandhi, I must say. And I've been a fan of Mrs. Gandhi because America is still wanting a leader who's a female, but we had one so long ago. And yes, she had a lot of good, and she made some mistakes like the emergency, and which is why it was important to tell this story. But going back to Kangana, yes, working with a person who's the lead actor, playing such an important role, director, producer, and in the midst, I finished one schedule and came back and read she's also turning financer, selling a house. And after I finished the film, I see that she's gone to run for elections and then won the elections in a constituency which belongs to a certain family for years, and now she's back.
How I cast, if you see my casting of my film, everybody is so much closer to the real people. Yes. You can see that. So Pupul Jekar was a very strong influence on Mrs. Gandhi's life. So much so that she was like a sister, like a guru, like a twin soul. You know what you say that? She was like a soulmate to Mrs. Gandhi. And she was a highly intellectual woman. She was also a cabinet minister. She was into preservation of culture and art. So I needed a very soft, kind demeanor, and also very sophisticated sort of a body language, and a very kind face. So I think, and I was just going crazy with wanting to cast somebody who has a very kind face and very motherly face and very kind. So I was not able to cast, and we had also started shooting also. So I was one day discussing with Anupam ji also, and then I said, would she want to work with me? And then I spoke to Mahima ji, and she came and we did some trial look test, and you'll be shocked to see how beautifully she has portrayed Pupul Jekar and how close. I mean, of course, you can never match the face, but you have to match the spirit, and that's what we went with. We always worked on the spirit, and I think she's that person. If that one line that Sanjay, the way she says, she's really sorry about to say that, but she has to say what she has to say. That is Pupul Jekar in Mrs. Gandhi's life. She tells us straight on her face, no matter how much hate she's going to get for that. So I think Mahima ji is so wonderful in that role. I would love to produce and direct a film on all three Khans. And I would also love to, show the talented side of theirs, where they can act and they can also look good, and they can also do something which is very significant to the society. I would love to make a film like that, because I think they are very talented. And also what they're doing, of course, they're adding a lot of revenue to the industry, and we should be eternally grateful to them. And also they are engaging with a mass of people who who need that kind of engagement. But also I think there is a very artistic sides to all three of them, which has not been explored other than just in few films, and I would love to explore that with so many actors. And one actor I would always regret not being able to direct is Irfan Khan Saab. He is one of my favorite Khans, and I would always miss him. आप देखिए ना, आई थिंक ऐसा नहीं है. अगर सलमान जी को देखें, उनकी कितनी फ़ैन फॉलोइंग है, कितना प्यार करते हैं लोग उनसे. आई थिंक ही इज़ राइट नाउ द टॉप मोस्ट लव्ड स्टार इन द कंट्री. जिन लोगों को उनसे प्यार है, उनसे प्यार है. अब जिन लोगों की आंख में वो खटकते हैं, वो तो उनसे नफ़रत करेंगे ही ना. जो लोग उनके कंपटीशन के हैं, या फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वालों की बात कर रहे हैं ना आप, उनकी आंखों में तो वो खटकेंगे कि हम उनकी जगह पे होने चाहिए, या वो उस जगह पे क्यों है. तो ऐसे तो लोग उनकी लोगों की आंखों में वो खटकेंगे. लेकिन आप जनता को देखिए.